Unraveling Out in the Sticks, a journey to remote places. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a colorful and vivid phrase that paints a picture of remoteness and tranquility. Out in the sticks. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover the essence of being out in the sticks. The phrase, out in the sticks, refers to a location that is far away from urban areas, typically in the countryside or in a remote, rural setting. It conjures images of places surrounded by nature, possibly hard to reach and lacking in modern conveniences. When someone says they're out in the sticks, they're highlighting the isolation or the rural charm of their location. Delving into the origins, the sticks likely comes from the visual representation of rural areas on maps, where less populated regions might have been depicted with stick-like symbols, or it could simply refer to the abundance of trees and natural woodlands. Over time, this phrase has been embraced in English to describe any place that feels detached from the hustle and bustle of city life. Now, let's see how you can incorporate out in the sticks into your everyday conversations. 1. Describing a location. My grandmother's house is really out in the sticks. It takes hours to get there from the city. 2. Explaining why you're late. Sorry, I'm late. I was out in the sticks where there's no cell service. 3. Highlighting a peaceful retreat. I love spending weekends out in the sticks. It's so peaceful compared to the city. To expand your vocabulary further, here are a few similar expressions that convey the idea of being in a remote or rural location. In the boonies, off the beaten path, in the middle of nowhere. Each of these phrases can add color and specificity to your descriptions of places that are far from urban centers. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, out in the sticks, offers a charming way to describe remote, rural locations that are far removed from the bustling life of cities. It's a testament to the richness of the English language and its ability to capture the essence of our experiences with just a few words. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing aspects of English together. Until next time, happy learning!